Hey, curl friends, and welcome back to Cocaknotz, home of the Long Hair Society. Now, you about to see some long hair because it's been 6 months since I did her sewing. So you know she collected some inches. Now, I know her hair still look good because, I did it. I did it 6 months ago, so that thing still look good. Plus, she has some raw Indian hair extensions, and she actually sell these hair extensions, and they're the bomb. I'm going to link them below. But you guys, as you can see on the left, I'm going to be putting up pictures just so we can see her progress. Because, sometimes the eyes be doing tricks on us and we don't really see if our hair grew or not. But I have the proof. And one thing about it, them men be lying and them women be lying. But them inches, oh, them inches don't be lying. Now that you see me cut out all the weave, now it's time for me to go ahead and take this down and see what we working with. Now, you know it's going to be matted. You know it's going to be tangled. But it ain't got nothing on these products from Cocaknotz.com. One thing about it, if you know you got matted, tangled hair and you had your protective style in and it's time for it to come out and you want to make sure that you keep some hair on your head, grab these two products. The main Magic Elixir, you're going to put it in some water and you're going to spray and saturate down whatever braid, whatever plait, whatever twist you got going on in your hair, whatever mat you got up in your hair, spray it down. And then you're going to use the main Magic Growth Sauce. I call this thing the Detangler, and you're going to put it all over that section. Do a quick massage for about 20 seconds, and then you're going to use the tail of a comb and start unraveling, untangling, and retain as much length and width as possible. 6 months ago, she came to me as a first-time client. Now, she was used to doing wigs and she used to use glue, and her edges took a hit. And she is trying to regrow her edges. She's trying to grow her hair longer, thicker. She wants her hair softer and more manageable. Now, her last stylist, right before she came to me, put a sewing in her hair. And the sewing was okay, but she didn't see any results from it. She felt like her hair wasn't really retaining length. So she booked me. And one thing about it, I'm going to snatch you from your stylist. Yeah, girl, you going to come over here and you going to stay over here. That's a fact. Now, I know you wondering, where is the scalp? Yeah, she got that much new growth. One thing about it, her hair loves to hug each other. So her hair is wrapped around and it likes to tangle around each other. So these two products is going to work beautifully because I'm going to be able to use my finger to unravel them from each other and separate them because they drunk in love at this point. Yeah. So using my fingers, I'm gently pulling apart and I'm separating the hair a little bit firm, but not too firm because we ain't trying to rip the hair out. One thing you don't want to do, you don't want to take no comb and you don't want to take no detangling brush and start ripping through this because that's not going to work. You're going to rip out somebody's hair, and you definitely don't want to do this dry. Now, I know you've probably been wearing protective styles for umpteen years, 10,000 years, 5,000 years. You've been wearing protective styles and your hair still can't touch your neck back. But if you want your hair to really retain length, you're going to have to learn how to finger detangle, and you're going to have to learn how to do it with water and oil. As you can see, she was able to retain over 2 inches of new growth. That means I need to keep that hair on her head. I need to keep 2 inches on her head. If you use a comb, you can literally turn the comb into a scissors and cut that 2 inches off. So that's why a lot of times when you do a protective style and you see you got a whole bunch of new growth, but you start combing through it, and then when you're done, you see all your hair on the floor and you don't even notice if you retain length or not. That's because you turn that comb to a scissors. But if you use your fingers and try to release the hair of all the shed hair you should have shed throughout the months, instead of using a comb and ripping it out, you'll be able to see that length that you actually grew over the last 6 months. Because who got time and who got all that money to be wasting getting your hair done, trying to retain length, getting all this new growth, and then at the end of the 6 months, you ain't got no hair to show for it. Now, you don't need gloves for these products. It's all natural, 100% natural from the earth. I just don't like my hands cold and wet and oiled up. I don't like all that. I'm sorry, I don't. So you see me using gloves, but you don't need any gloves at all. Now, I don't know about you, but I can already see that her hair is getting long. Like, it's always going to work. 1 plus 1 always going to equal 2. Well, sometimes. Well, that's what they say. But we ain't going to get into all of that. But usually 1 plus 1 equals 2. So if you take hydration plus natural products plus finger detangling plus protective styling, it's always going to equal long hair. The math is going to always be mathing. Not everybody know how to do their math now, okay? So don't you be trying those 6 months sewing on yourself at home and trying to take it down yourself just yet. Girl, go ahead and book me first so at least you can see how I do it on your head, because you might try to leave it sewing in for a long time and try to take it out yourself, and you might just get impatient and rip all your hair out and have to start all over. So if you're in the Fort Lauderdale or Miami area, book me, boo. I am taking new clients. Now, I know a lot of hairstylists don't really take the time to finger detangle your hair, and that's why I like to put these videos out so that you can see, you can practice, you can show someone and they can do your hair, you can do their hair, or you can see how it's supposed to be done, and maybe you can show your stylist how to finger detangle. It is time consuming and it's very tedious, but it's so worth it. It brings me so much joy knowing that my clients are retaining all this length. Like, their hair is really gonna be to their booty in no time. Like, I can't believe it. Well, actually, I can believe it because, girl, like I said, the math be math. Now, don't be alarmed with the hair you might see on the floor after a 6 month sewing, because it's been 6 months. Your hair has been cooped up in a protective style for 6 months. Of course, you're gonna have hundreds of shed hair. Of course, it's gonna look like a little puppy on the floor. But don't mind it. You still gonna have a lot of hair on your head. You gotta trust the process. Now, I did all the treatments. You know, I did that detox clay treatment because that be having my clients' hair growing, right? Y'all, if you know, you know. As you can see, I see a difference. I feel like her afro is a lot wider. It's just like poof, you know? I don't know. You see it? I hope you see it. Now, we are growing out a little bit of color on her ends. As you can see, she has a lot of gray hair. And if you know about gray hair like to be dry. So one thing about it, when you come from underneath that shampoo bowl, make sure you use a light oil, like the deep nourishing oil, immediately on your hair while your hair is still wet, so you can start sealing in that moisture so you can go ahead and finger detangle again. Yes, I know you got to finger detangle again. Yeah, but ain't nothing wrong with it, because listen, you do a protective style every couple of months. You only have to do this step for a couple hours, and then you get weeks and months of not having to do this maintenance. Now, always use your fingers for at least 80% of the detangling process before you bring out a wide tooth comb and before you pull out a detangling brush, because when you use tools, you're not able to feel knots, and you can just like rip a knot out. And if you ever look at a knot, it's never just one little strand of hair. It's always like 50 wrapped up in a knot. So you never just want to rip through knots. You always want to feel through the major knots with your fingers before you pull out any detangling device. And I can't take all the credit. I mean, I could take majority of the credit because, you know, I do this. Like, I got growing hands. Like, I do this. But she is really good with her maintenance. And because of that, look at her results. I know you see a difference. Like, look at her hair. It is a major difference. You can see that her hair she really retained like 2 to 3 inches in 6 months. And guess what? It's going to get even longer and longer and longer. And don't even ask me about no haircut. We ain't doing no haircut now. We probably do it next year. We probably do it after the next install. I don't know. I'm going to see. Don't worry about getting trims. If you're not straightening your hair, if you're not using a lot of heat or chemicals, you probably don't have a lot of split ends. You probably just have dry, damaged ends. And as long as you're using these natural oils, the Magic Growth Oil, the main Magic Leave-In Conditioner that you're about to see me use, you'll be able to slowly repair your damaged dry ends. And are you going to repair it to 100%? No, but you're going to improve the feel and the look of your ends. That way you can keep your ends and grow your hair out. And once you get to a certain goal, like for her, once she gets to like 16 inches, we might start taking off an inch at a time until we get most of the dry hair that she had previously. Because I really don't even like to say damaged ends, because the hair is not damaged. It's just a different texture. It was just when, she ain't know no better. And when she was going to a different stylist, so the ends always gonna feel a little rough and tough. And we trying to change that by buttering up and oiling her hair like I'm doing. Yes, I like to use a thick oil because she got thick hair. And then I like to use a thick butter on top of it. This is going to make her hair softer. It's going to promote thickness. It's going to promote length. It's going to promote manageability, because you want to have long, manageable, natural hair, right? That's what she's going to want. So yeah, I like to butter her hair up, and your hair is going to love natural products. It's something that your hair can recognize. You know what I'm saying? Instead of using all type of chemicals and stuff. I mean, the results are speaking for itself. I know y'all see that difference. Like, please don't play with me. I know you see it, girl, because I see it. Like, her hair is improving, and guess what? She a little too shy to show her edges, but her edges are improving as well. She got some peach fuzz, and one thing about it, them edges gonna take a while to grow in. It ain't gonna grow as fast, but it's growing in. What? Now we're trying different protective styles. So today we're going to try crochet. I'm not a crochet expert, but we're going to try this protective style because she wanted something different from a sewing, because it's hot, it's summertime. So we decided to do this fun and flirty blonde bombshell look using faux lock crochets, and I just love this. It was just so cute and fun, and she was able to be on vacation and be on a beach looking like a little Barbie, right? Who knew that growing long, thick, natural hair can be so fun? You can enjoy all your favorite trend-setting hairstyles while still growing and retaining length, because long hair is your destiny and big hair is your birthright.